Hey YouTube, Mike here. How we doing today? Hope we all had a good, safe, and productive week. I am like flipping out of what I found out last night. I'm friends on Instagram, met him when I went to Festool Connect. The trainer, Festool Sedge. Been following, we follow each other on Instagram. And last night, I'm in the back, I'm having a cigar, I'm on my iPad, I'm going through my emails and my comments. So I flip over to Instagram, and there he is, demonstrating something you can add to the MW1000. I ran out here in the garage, grabbed one, and did it. And I said, I have to post this. You could add an SYS-AZ drawer to this unit. It's designed and in the instructions. And like he said in his little, you know, those quick videos for those of you that follow him on Instagram, you know, we throw the instructions away. Well, as you could see in the video I did of the assembly, I had the instructions. But I don't, you know, you only look at what you know really pertains to putting the thing together. And I'm laughing about it because it's right there. And he brought it up. Like I said, I ran out here to the garage, ran up into the attic, grabbed one of the SYS drawers, and it works. Basically, on the bottom, so you have the little garage that I showed you that the little mini sustainer fits in. Well, on the top of it, you can put a sustainer, and it has a lock. It has the lock. But right here, there's 4 tabs. I don't know if you could see the tabs. Let me see if I can get this a little closer. Actually, you know what? Instead of killing myself, let me just take the camera off. And then we'll go from there. Give me a second here, there. Oh, come on, there we go. All right. So, you have tab, tab, and then this slot. Same on this side. Slot, tab, tab. As you can see, there's 1, 2. Can you see it? I think you could. There's 1, 2 holes. All right. Basically, let's put this back up here, and we'll put this thing on because it is unbelievable. Okay. So basically, the drawer will fit right in here. Let me just open up the rails here for a second. Okay, get it positioned. You do not need the locking mechanism. There's a tab built onto the front that locks the lever here. So all you're going to do is you're going to take, here, let's actually, I don't want to spill the Euro screws here. Okay, I'll do one at a time. Let me grab a screw. You're going to start with that hole right there. And that's going to be the far back hole. Just line that up. The tabs, my Euro screwdriver. Up, and drop that. You just line up that back hole. And this rail is now in the recess, which prevents it from flipping around. And just make up the Euro screw. You know, just hold it up there. Then look in the window. You're going to look in the window. There's another screw right there. Are we still on? Yep, we're still there. Okay, there's your first one. Then let's pull out this one here. I guess you're all noticing what you see in the background. I started the construction, or the destruction, of the saw stop. I'm blind as a bat. Let's get the big light. I'll tell you, that's the next thing I'm going to do. I'm going to do get some good lights in here. Even though I have the LEDs, there's still not enough light. Okay. Actually, you can do 3. There's one in the front too. Here, let me get this off the camera the stand once more, and I can show you. Okay, you see, you got the one screw here, then you got the one screw there, and then if you look in here, here's another screw right there, and then you see this? That's the tab that locks the drawer in. Because I'm monkeying around with it, trying to figure out where that tab goes. I mean the lock, but there it is. Okay, are we on? Let's see. Yep. Okay. There we go. Let's not blind myself anymore. And let's not knock this off the table like we did the drill. Still, here's the garage, and I just happen to have some sustainers here. Gotta read all the instructions. That is so cool. Now I got my second drawer. I still ordered another one. I'll probably do 2 ones, or well, we'll see. That drawer will be in next week, but that's that. Now I can rest in peace. I love this thing. All right. Oh, my one is in it. You know what I'm grabbing. All right. I'm just going to show you. But as you can see, got the insert. I bought the cast iron filler piece. Check out the saw stop. Check out that whole area. But it's being videoed. The entire build, start to finish, is going to be on it. Not to take apart, not to clean up, not the cleaning of the. I think can you see the vacuum out there? You see what I did to the vacuum? That's the vacuum. I got that all cleaned out. Put the wires like that because one's got to go to the router and one has to go to the table. So, and I got a situation. I'm going to lose that box. The box right there. Where is it? There it is. There's the box. I'm not losing it, but I don't think it's going to fit under the table because that's the sawdust catcher for the router. And the lift. Where's the lift? Oh, the lift is on top of the the Mac toolbox. Yes, it's being videoed, but I stopped a minute and I had to do this because, like I said, I thought it was the greatest thing. Thank you, Festool Sedge. I love your videos, and man, sometimes sometimes you amaze me. But yeah, pretty cool. All right, I'll see you all on the next video. I got a couple of good videos coming up. Purchased the Milwaukee tool, but that's going to be a separate video. Can't wait to show you it. And then this thing, but that be in about a week or so because it's got to be edited and it's going to be quite long. All right, YouTube. Again, thank you for all the likes, the comments, the subscribes. Down below will be the my email. I'll have the part number for the SYS drawer, which basically they come in a single or in a pack of excuse me, pack of 4. As you know, I'm in love with them. So to have this down there is great. It even looks good. Yeah, just keep those emails coming, those comments coming, please, and just You know, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that bell for notification, and you'll know every time I put a video out. All right, YouTube? I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye now. Be safe.